Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? I always like to keep a little real estate in the pocket, in the portfolio. And I'm not talking about apartment buildings or a house or a duplex, but today I'm going to be looking at focusing on senior housing. Now, the investment I'm going to talk about today, I've had in the portfolio for a while, but I always like to take a look at it and share it with the viewers in case they may want to see my journey and what I'm doing. And I can tell you right now, today's stock, Welltower, ticker symbol WELL, is a winner. It's been doing well for my portfolio. So what I wanted to do is share it with the viewers, share it with the people that's been rocking with Investing with Rod, and make sure we all keep getting to the bag. Hey, speaking of which, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone on this channel. We talk about stocks. We talk about exchange traded funds or ETFs. Just think of a bunch of stocks in one fund. We also talk about crypto. If that's something you're interested in and you like what you hear here, do your boy a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Share it out. Tell your friends, your family, your co-workers, your cousin, your cousin's cousin. And all I'm doing here is showing you my journey on how to take small amounts of money you're going to see today and invest for my financial future. With all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, let me jump over here into Robinhood, pulling it up on the screen. As you can see, the market is open and Welltower is currently trading at $244.09 per share. I always said I'm going to keep on saying it. We're looking at fractional shares, slices of the pie. So look at this $244.09 as an entire pie. And we are going to get a slice, whether it's a $2 slice, $1 slice. On Robinhood, you can invest with as little as $1. So I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump down here and see what it's been doing. So looking right here, I don't do the 1 week because I like to buy for the long term. Now, today it is up 0.31% or 75 cents per share. That's not a lot of money, but hey, we made something. We didn't lose in it. So I'm cool, but I want to go at least 3 months. What has it done in the last quarter? It is up 15.84% right here, ladies and gentlemen, up $33.20 in the last 3 months. I mean, I ain't no mathematician, but that's $11 a month. Put $200 in the bank and see if you get $11 in interest per month. If you do, tell me about it because I got to go put some money in there. All right, let's go to year to date. What has it been doing from January to July? And man, y'all, I'm telling you, on Investing with Rod, I rarely miss what I'm investing in my portfolio. Again, I'm just taking small amounts and looking at my future. I'm not worried about today or tomorrow. I'm thinking about my future long term, up 31.35% or $58. Man, sometimes when I do these videos, I get mad at myself because I'm like, why, Rod? Why didn't you keep investing in this? You knew it was a good buy when you got it. All right, year to date. 1 year in the last year. Now, this all past tense. But I like to look in the past to try to project the future, if that makes sense. Man, it's up 53.59%, $85. If y'all wasn't doing this video right now, I'd be speechless. But I got to keep talking, man, for the sake of the people. Anyway, let's look right here. 5 years. What has it done? Up 176%. 3 months, year to date, 1 year, 5 year, it's consistently going up. That's what I'm talking about. So let's scroll. Let's see reality. Now, this is all fine and dandy with this. What did it used to do? But I want to see what is it doing now? What is it doing for Rod right now? So we're going to scroll down here now. Obviously, I'm taking $2, $3 because I only have $15 here. Purchased at $189. I'm up 28.99%. Now, I always say, and I'm going to keep saying it because I never know when new viewers start watching these videos. This is a small picture of my larger portfolio at Fidelity and JP Morgan and Charles Schwab. So just don't, this is for the starters. This is for Rod when he started. I like to take myself back so I don't forget where I came from. I want to stay grounded. Anyway, enough of all that. I just like to let y'all know what I'm doing now. I have 0.06 of a share. And I'm going to purchase something. Let me see what time it is up in here. Okay, yeah, we got enough time. We're going to purchase a little bit, but I got to keep going, man. So what is this Welltower, man? Let's start right here. It's a healthcare infrastructure company which engages in seniors housing operations, post-acute providers, and health systems to fund the real estate infrastructure. Now, senior housing operating, triple net, and outpatient medical. It's been around since 1970. It ain't going nowhere, man. I mean, I was 1 year old when this company was founded, and I've been here for a while. Let's just put it like that. I mean, y'all can figure the math out, but I let y'all do that. Market capitalization $171.97 billion. That's what the company is worth. It can't be going wrong with 171 billion in it. Now it does pay a dividend, a quarterly dividend of 74 cents per share. I don't go, we ain't too getting into all this technical stuff because we're just showing people how to get started, how to get on the team. You might not be in the game yet. Get a uniform. Do something other than being in the bleachers watching. That's what I'm saying, man. Hopefully y'all feel what I'm saying. Come on. Let's see what these experts talking about. Now, experts ain't but 22 people out of all the people in the country. But these 22 people, 77% of them said buy. 18.2 saying hold on to what you got. Now, these people saying buy, they believe in it. Now, it's 4.5% people saying sell. They could be scared, or they could be taking profits because they've already got to the bag and made what they wanted to make. So they sold a little bit. Hey, I just like to break it down, man. I want to keep these short, sweet, to the point because we just making money. Plus, while I'm over here dilly-dallying, let me go over here, man. I got $4 in buying power. It says buy WELL, which is the ticker symbol. I'm doing it in dollars, not shares. I'm going to go ahead, man. I like to show people the reality of this. I'm just going to do $1 to show you. I'm going to get 0.004. It doesn't sound like a lot. But the last time I checked, any number over zero is more than zero. So $1, I'm getting started. If you invest $1 right now, when I invested $1, I remember the guy that I was talking to about it said, it wasn't $1, it was 25. He said, now that was with 25, with $1, it still stands today. You're ahead of millions of people that don't know about this, afraid of it, or just don't understand it. That's why your boy is here. So we're going to go ahead and review the order. It's going to give me a little paragraph, a little blurb telling me what I'm doing. I'm getting $1 well at $244.40. Just give me a snapshot. Now we're going to scroll over here. Y'all going to see this go to about maybe 0.064 or something like that. I don't know. But this here little 1563 should go to about 1660. Let's buy that thing. Click done. Let's see what it do. 1663, 0.068 of a share, man. But I'm not going to do $1 now. If I only have $1, your boy, I will. Don't test me. I will. But 2, 5, whatever, it's going to keep building. And then you're making 26, 28% on that. You're winning, baby. You are winning. Let me go ahead and bring me back on this thing. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. You have it. Real estate, Welltower, invested in the game with $1. You have the knowledge. I just made the food and showing everybody what I'm putting on my plate and I'm going to eat. The question is, what do you think about Welltower? Is it a good investment? Have you ever heard of it? I'd love to hear about it. Please put it down in the comments below. Also, if you haven't done so, if you got anything out of this video, a little comedy, a little finance info, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, hit the thumbs up. It really helps this video get pushed out and show people that investing can be fun. And also share it out. Share the video. Tell a friend, a cousin, co-worker, uncle, auntie, any other family member, your homeboy, your homegirl, or maybe somebody at work you want to impress. Tell them about the channel because I'm going to put it down. With that being said, hope you have a great day. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, more fire, more knowledge, more importantly, showing you my investment journey on how I take small amounts of money and invest for my financial future. And until the next time, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars, I can guarantee you. Much love, y'all. Peace.